Hey Marabes, what's up? It's Marabelle here, and I'm just gonna be sharing with you real quick how I shave my face and why I shave my face, or the benefits that I've seen from shaving my face. So essentially, it's been said, and I've experienced that it really exfoliates dead skin cells. It removes the peach fuzz and also improves the makeup application so much. Literally, when your skin is smooth like butter, your makeup goes on so nicely. And it also helps to enhance skincare product absorption, and of course it promotes a smoother, brighter complexion and clearer skin for me personally, and that's been said as one of the benefits. So you don't need a lot of items to do this. Of course, you just need some shaving gel or your favorite face oil. You need a very sharp razor and a gentle cleanser. So stay tuned. So a lot of persons that I've spoken to have been like super scared of shaving their face, but really and truly for me the key to a really good shave is three things, and that would be having a really sharp, preferably brand new razor each time, just to ensure that you don't cause any irritation to your skin. A good shaving cream or face oil. If you're using face oil, just make sure it's a thick face oil, because really and truly if it is thin, from my experience, it will dry out quickly and you might have a few railroad tracks on your face because there isn't enough lubrication to get the shave really smooth, right? So and the third thing before I forget is to ensure that you keep your face clean. That's before and after. So currently I have already sanitized my face. You can use a gentle cleanser, or most times I use rubbing alcohol, right? So that's what I've done, and I'm going to be getting my new shaver, and I'm going to be applying my face oil to my face right now. So this is just a reminder to use short, light strokes and avoid pressing too hard when you're using your shaver. It's best to hold it at a 45-degree angle, they say. And also remember to shave in the direction of a hair growth. So I'm just gonna, oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, I actually love shaving my face, because look at that smoothness already. Look, now man, peach fuzz, why are you trying to take over my life, yo? Look at all of that, man. Yo, my face so hairy. So pretty much I have a napkin nearby to wipe as I shave, so I don't have this oil running down my face, and so that I can wipe away any excess hair that's on the razor. So just take your time with it. Not go shave off the eyebrow, no, or anything. Oh Jesus! And don't shave off your sideburns either. Yo, my sideburns are so long, man. So just lightly press. You see that? Smooth. So I just finished shaving my face, and I washed my face with a gentle cleanser. And as you can see, there is not much redness or irritation or anything going on. Normally, what I do after is I use my hyaluronic serum from marabelle.haircare. I'll link it below in the description box. But I love this hyaluronic serum. It's so good. It also has the pieces of 24 karat gold, which is super good for your face. So I hydrate my face with this. Try and stay away from any harsh retinoids or exfoliants within the next 24 hours. That's normally what is recommended. And I'm just gonna go ahead and show you some juicy goodness. Oh my gosh, this literally will plump up your skin like crazy. Like if you have like something on the eyes or fine lines that's coming up or any wrinkles, this just really helps to leave your skin feeling like super moisturized, hydrated, vibrant, and absolutely amazing. And it's also non-greasy. What I also want to show you guys before I leave is the sunscreen. Guys, don't shave your face, don't do anything in life, don't come out of your house without wearing sunscreen, because you could care about your skin and come out of your house without sunscreen. That's for one. But separately apart from that, one of the best sunscreens that I've come across for sure, especially for dark skin, is the Marabelle Beauty sunscreen. It has in tea tree oil, it has in other skincare ingredients. It's SPF 50, and let me show you how this blends into your face like absolutely nothing, and it doesn't leave any white cast either whatsoever. Like, I'm so in love. I also always put it on my neck, because why do you want your face to be clear and your neck to be 10 shades darker? That doesn't make any sense. So just make sure that you wear your sunscreen and you keep your face hydrated all the time, especially after shaving your face. But guys, look at that. This sunscreen serum, 10 out of 10. Gonna link it below, as I said. Thank you so much for tuning in. Message me if you have any questions or any recommendations whatsoever, and don't forget to subscribe, of course. Bye.